Hello guys, compliment. Today I'll be making a video about a comprehensive crypto exchange website. Okay, with this website it's more like a P2P website. Okay, so and with it you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Okay, so you can set it if the platform is very robust. Okay, so this is it. This is the front page of the website, and it has SMS and email verification, KYC, two-factor authentication, end-to-end encrypted. So this is it. People can buy and sell cryptocurrencies here. It's more like a P2P platform. So you can use this if you would want to launch your own P2P platform. You can use it. It must not be crypto. It could be any other thing. Okay, so you can use this. It has different payment gateways. Okay, so let me go over to the features. Okay, so it has multiple currency wallet. You can buy crypto inside your wallet or to an external wallet. Okay, so this is it. You can buy crypto outside the wallet. You can sell crypto inside your wallet or outside your wallet. So you can also withdraw your crypto. You can exchange your crypto. Okay, it has push notifications, email verification, KYC verification. Okay, security also. So it has seamless payment gateways. So there are lots of payment gateways you can use: PayPal, Stripe, Flutterwave, Razorpay, SSL Commerce, Perfect Money, CoinGate. There are lots of them. Okay, it also has manual payment option. So with this you can successfully launch your own P2P platform. So you can decide to sell whatever you feel like selling. Okay, so now I'll be going to the admin dashboard. This is the admin dashboard. You can see it's just, it has the lights, okay, and dark mode. I think I love the dark mode more. Okay, so this is the dashboard. This is the interface of the admin dashboard: the total users, total block category, total block support, and all that. Okay, so let me go over to the first option. Here is setup coin. So you can set up different coins. Okay, so done. So these are the coins added. This is CDC, Dogs, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Cardano. So they are all enabled. You can click here to add new coin, give the coin a name, then you add. So the next option is setting up your coin networks. Okay, we have different networks. We have BEP20, we have Tron, we have Ethereum network. So there are so many networks. You can set your coin networks here. Okay, so you can just click on add. You select the coin. Let's say this is Dogecoin. Then the network could be BEP20. So you add. Now this is the setup currency. That's the third option here. So I just want to go over to the few of these features, the most important ones. Okay, now this is where you set up your currency. Okay, so you can either add the currencies manually, or you use the exchange rate API. Okay, so you just get your CoinMarketCap exchange rate API, then you add, and that is it. And automatically it will import coins. Okay, so this is Theta, this is Bitcoin, this is Ethereum, this is Dogecoin. So these are their symbols. Let me go over to this Theta. Okay, this is the default coin. So the networks, and you see the networks: Repo, Cardano. Now under this Theta you can change the networks. You can put BEP20, you can put Tron, USDT Tron 20, you can put any other network that you feel like. Okay, so however you want it. Okay, now this is where you set your fees. Okay, the fees for withdrawal: fixed fee, percentage fee, then the range, the minimum amount to withdraw, the maximum amount to withdraw. So this for exchange rates too. So that is it. You can set all these. And the next one is your outside address. Okay. So these are where you put in your wallet addresses for USDT, for Bitcoin, for whichever coin that you feel like. You can add as many external wallet addresses as you feel like. Okay, so that is it. Now these are the transaction logs. Okay, so we won't go over to this. Now the other things are just the normal setup and the pages, extensions, subscribers. Okay, and the payment method. Let's just go over to the payment method. So you have automatic, you have manual payment methods. So automatic, you can easily set them. So this is a complete script for your P2P transaction. So you can enable any network, any payment method that you feel like. Okay, you want your users to deposit money with. So there are lots of them here. You can disable the ones that you are not using. So that is it now, guys. We'll go over to how to set up this script. Now if you check the comment section of this video, you are going to get a link to get this script. Okay, so now, but before we do that, the first thing that we need is a domain and a hosting. Okay, if you don't have a domain and a hosting, check the video link. You are going to see a link, the video description. You are going to see a link. You get a hosting. Okay, you get a discounted hosting with Namecheap. Okay, it's very reliable. So just click the link, get a hosting. Once you've gotten your domain and your hosting, then the next thing for you to do is you get your script. So you can either send me a message on WhatsApp, or you click the link in the video description, and it's going to take you to where we are going to download this script. So once you have your domain and your hosting and the script, now the next thing is for you to set it up. You can do this yourself. So I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to do this. Okay, so that is it. Now let's go over to our cPanel, assuming that you've already gotten your domain and your hosting. Now if you've gotten this, the first thing that you're going to do is to create a database user and a database name. So you can simply scroll down to this databases option, although in one of my videos, the first video, you can go to my videos. The first video, I made a video on how to create a database. Okay, so I don't think I'll be going through this again. So but for the newbies, those that doesn't know how to do that, you can simply click this MySQL database wizard. Then you follow the instructions. Make sure that you give the user the privileges to be able to manage the files, the database. So if you want to get a full video on how to do that, check the first video that I made, and that video is going to show you. So now let's assume that we already have our database created. So we scroll down to File Manager. You click File Manager. Now it's going to open in a new tab. Now you locate the file. You locate the parts, the domain you want to install. Let's assume this is a new domain and the new hosting. So you are going to go to this public HTML. Okay, you click on public HTML, then this should be empty. Then this is where you upload your script. But I'm using a subdomain, so it's still the same thing. So now once you are here, the next thing for you to do is you click on this upload. You click on upload to select the file. Okay, you go to your system, you select the file where you downloaded it. Okay, so once you've selected it, it's going to start uploading. So once the upload is complete, it's going to give you a green. The upload progress is going to turn from blue to green. So once that is done, you go back to your you go back and you reload. Okay, so now I'll be opening this. Let me move it. Okay, Okay, so once you've uploaded yours, this is how it should be. Now you right click on it and you click on extract. Yeah, extract files. Okay, now this is it. We've extracted it, the file. Okay, so once you are done extracting the file, the next thing for you to do is um you go to your website. You just go to your website and reload. Once you reload, you're going to get this prompt. Okay, you click on start. Okay, make sure that all these are checked, that your PHP version is 8.3.14 upwards. Okay, and that's all these that they are checked. Okay, so if everything is in order, you click on next. Now you are going to put in your purchase code, which I will send to you. Okay, so once you've put in the purchase code, the next thing for you to do is you now give this a name. So you can give it a name, and I'll be going with Adcrypto. Then this is the database host. Don't do anything to it, leave it as it is, localhost. Then the database port, leave it as it is. Now the next thing for you to do is to go get your database name. You go back to cPanel. Let's go back to cPanel. Now this is my databases. I assume you've already created your database, so click my databases. Now you scroll down. Now this is the database I created for this. I'll copy it, then I'll paste it here. Then the database username, I use the same username. Okay, so the database password, I'm going to put in the database password for this. Then you click on continue. Okay, now you are going to get this prompt if everything is in order. So you click on migrate. Okay, now this is your admin name, your admin email. You put in your admin email, your first name, last name, then you put in your password. This is the password you will log into the admin area with. So that is it. Now let me open this another tab and click on admin panel. Okay, this is it. This is our admin panel, and this is the website. Okay, so that is it. It's ready. Okay, now the next thing to do is here is you start customizing. Okay, so you can scroll down to website settings. Okay, these are the basic settings. Now you can change the site's base color, you can change the site name, the subtitle, change the version, you can change the time zone, and you can enable or disable registration. Registration is activated. You can enable secure password, so your users will be able to put in a stronger password. Okay, the agree policy, you can force SSL. I'm activating this. Email verification is activated, email notification is activated, push notification is activated. Let me activate KYC verification. You can decide to get KYC verification from your users before they will be able to perform any transaction. So I'll be disabling this for now. Okay, so once you are done, if you make changes to any of these, you need to click on this update to update. So that's it. Now this is the image setting where you set your the logo, the light version logo, and for the dark version, then your site favicon, the light version and the dark version. Okay, so I think these are the things. Then the SEO option, you change the thumbnail image, then the social title and the social descriptions. These are very important, okay, before you launch. So once you're done with that, the next thing for you to do is go to setup coin. So you can add as many coin as you want to add. Okay, then you go to setup network. You can add as many network as you want to add. Then you go to setup currency. Okay, you can add as many currencies as you wish to add. Okay, now for the fees and charges, you can, so you take your time and go through all these options. You set it according to how you want to. Okay, so that is it. Now the next important thing for you to do is you go to set up email address, because you need to set this for your users to be able to be getting email address. Now the email, this is the email send method. This is known as the server SMTP method. Okay, it's SMTP. Now the port for this is, you type in 465, then SSL. Okay, then the host, if you are using Namecheap, what you have to do is you go to your cPanel, then you copy this server.com. So once you've copied it, you just come to the host, paste it. Okay, now the port is 465, encryption I normally use SSL. Now the username option, you put in your email address. Make sure that you've created an email. Okay, so if you don't know how to create an email, let's go back to cPanel. So you scroll down to email account, create email account. Then you can click on create. Okay, so this is my domain. I have more than, I have subdomains here, so that's why I have a lot of them here. So in your case, it should just be yours. It should just be your main domain. Okay, so you choose it, then you can put info, you can put support, you can put sales, whatever you feel like using as your email address. Then you put in your password. So once you put in your password, the email is going to be created. So you are going to be getting something like info@everystech.com.ng or app.sales at whatever you used. So what you have to do is you copy that email address, then you come to this place, put in that email address in the username field. Then you put in the email address password. That password you created for that email, you put it in here. Then the from mail address, you can put as no reply at your email address.com, or you can just put in your email address if you want to get replies to that email. So once you're done, you click on update. Okay, so to know if your settings are correct, okay, let's do this. Okay, sorry. Okay, let me save this. Now to make sure that, to check if your email settings are correct, you click on send email. Okay, I'm going to send a test email to this email address. If we get a success message, that means everything is in order. If we get an error, that means there's a problem. Okay, so something went wrong, please. Okay, I know what's happened. I'm using the subdomain, so I'm going to change this. This is the email address I created for this subdomain. Okay, so I'm going to change it, this email address. Okay, click on save. Okay, so now let's test the send email address again. You see, email sent successfully. So this is it. So make sure that if you are using a subdomain, you need to create an email with that subdomain for that subdomain and put it. So that's what you'll be using. So our email is well configured and it is working. So once anybody registers, they are going to get an email. They verify their email address, and now you also get an email address. So that is it. So if you have any questions, or there's something that you didn't get clear, feel free to drop a comment, or feel free to send me a message on WhatsApp. I am always active and I'm willing to help you, to assist you with whatever question you might have regarding this script. Okay, so this is it. This is how you create your own P2P crypto exchange buy and sell platform with ease. Okay.